Humans have already been to the moon, but have you ever wondered what happens when they come back? Returning from the moon is one of the most dangerous parts of any space mission. In this video, we will follow astronauts step by step from leaving the moon all the way back to Earth. We will look at real missions like Apollo 11 and what future missions like Artemis II will do. After finishing their missions on the moon, astronauts prepare to leave. They don't take off in the same spacecraft they used to travel from Earth. Instead, they use a special vehicle called the lunar module. This spacecraft has two parts. The bottom parts stay on the moon. The top part launches back into space. When it's time to leave, the top part blasts off from the moon's surface, using rockets to escape its gravity. Now comes one of the most difficult steps, docking. The astronauts must meet another spacecraft orbiting the moon. In missions like Apollo 11, this was called the command module. The two spacecraft must connect perfectly while moving thousands of kilometers per hour. One small mistake and the astronaut could be lost in space. Safely back in the main spacecraft, they prepare to leave the moon's orbit. This requires a powerful engine burn aimed perfectly toward Earth. If the angle is wrong, they could miss Earth completely. This journey back takes about 3 days. During this time, astronauts monitoring systems, eating and sleeping, staying in communication with NASA like that. This is the most dangerous part of the return. As the spacecraft approaches Earth, it enters the atmosphere at extremely high speed around 40,000 kilometers per hour. The heat outside becomes hotter than lava. So how do astronauts survive? The spacecraft is protected by a heat shield that absorbs and deflects this intense heat. If the heat shield fails, the mission fails. After surviving re-entry, the spacecraft slows down. Large parachutes deployed to reduce speed. Finally, splashdown. The capsules land safely into the ocean, where recovery teams are waiting. In missions like Apollo 11, astronauts landed in the Pacific Ocean. Even after landing, the mission isn't over. Astronauts are carefully checked by medical teams. They may feel weak because they've been low gravity for many days. In early missions, astronauts were even quarantined, just in case they brought back unknown particles from the moon. With new missions like Artemis II, humans are preparing to return to the moon again. But this time, the goal is bigger. We are not just visiting, we are planning to stay. Before the video ends, right now, as the astronauts make their journey back from the moon, we wish them a safe and successful splashdown. The whole world is watching and hoping for their safe return to Earth. So now you know, returning from the moon is just as dangerous as going there. Would you take the risk and travel to the moon? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more space video. Thank you.